are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
Hi and welcome. This video is called Newbie Christmas at Clickbank, and you will see why in just a moment. This is the 5th part of the training series about how to make money online fast with Clickbank. This training focuses on the weight loss niche, mainly because Mr. P has been in the weight loss niche since he began his online journey about 20 years ago. Believe it or not, the niche has never been better. You will see proof shortly. However, I want you to understand that although the training that I share is about the weight loss niche, you can use it for any niche. Clickbank is the affiliate network that I am using, but this training can work with any network, any affiliate, any product, or any service. In other words, this training will apply to whatever online venture you have or might choose. The reason why the video is called a Newbie Christmas at Clickbank is because of the exciting gifts that are in store for you. I am going to begin with a snapshot of a free tool from TubeBuddy called Keyword Explorer. You can find out more about Keyword Explorer in part 1 of this series. Links to part 1 and TubeBuddy are in the description below. What I want you to see is that the amount of searches per month on YouTube for keto diet is 29 million, and Keyword Explorer gives this keyword phrase an overall score of 99. As mentioned, in part 1, you will learn about keywords and what is called on-site SEO, which is a way to get free traffic with almost no effort. What is important is that Keyword Explorer will do the heavy lifting for us for free. I am also sharing this snapshot because I want you to see that there is a huge demand. The weight loss niche is considered to be extremely competitive, and yet, I want you to see that you can still find keyword phrases that are home runs. This one, keto diet, is a grand slam. In future videos, you will see how you can cash in on these home runs and grand slams, all for free. If this is your first time watching, this Clickbank training is geared toward newbies. What this means is that our focus is slanted toward the Clickbank seller resources. These include the banners, images, emails, videos, demographics, and so on, that some sellers provide. Not all sellers provide resources, most sellers provide some resources, as seen in the previous video, and some sellers over-deliver. When it comes to newbies, the sellers who over-deliver on resources are the ones that will be most helpful. I am taking you to a couple of Clickbank sellers that over-deliver, so you will know what to look for and so you will know about some of the resources that can help you make money easier and faster. The sellers are the Smoothie Diet and the Custom Keto Diet updated for 2023. The following is a snapshot of what the Smoothie Diet has available. The Smoothie Diet affiliate site is one that is perfect for newbies. The pre-sell articles are perfect for newbies. The articles help to pre-sell your prospects. The way this works is that you can link to one of the article. The article is already professionally written. It does what is called pre-sell, which is to create interest and then sends your visitors to the sales page. The pre-sell improves your chances of making a sale. As you can also see, the Smoothie Diet provides you with a video testimony and an intro teaser for women. There are also downloadable email swipes as well as banners and product images. Next, we are at the Custom Keto Diet affiliate page, which is one of the best. This is an example of one of 6 landing pages that you can choose from. 6 landing pages? Yes, there are 6 landing pages to choose from. The 6 pages are a standard landing page, a keto quiz, a $1 7-day trial quiz page, a $1 7-day trial video sales page, a text page, and the page you are seeing, which happens to be Facebook compliant. The bottom line is that more landing pages give you more ways to make money. In addition, should you choose to use it, Custom Keto also provides you with their sales page. This means that you can use it on your site. Custom Keto Diet also has pre-sell pages. These pages are specifically for ClickFunnels but are easy to customize. What is important is that the pre-sell pages are professionally prepared. You can use them for free, and they will improve your chances of getting sales. Custom Keto also has a downloadable and customizable lead magnet. This is a snapshot of one of Mr. P's download pages with the free lead magnet. The lead magnet is superb. It will help you to get email signups as well as sales. Customization means that you can customize the lead magnet with your affiliate links, along links to your site, links to your YouTube channel, links to your blog, and so on. In order to get the free recipes, your visitors will give you their email addresses, which is how it will help build your list. Custom Keto also provides you with professional banners and images. Good banners sprinkled lightly throughout your content make sales. And your newbie Christmas is not over yet. Custom Keto also gives you a downloadable keyword list that you can use to build your content around. If you are new, building an email list may seem intimidating. Custom Keto Diet not only gives you a sweet lead magnet, it also provides you with email swipes. You will also find demographics and tracking pixels. And let's talk about videos. Best of all, on the Custom Keto Diet affiliate page, you will find videos, 93 videos. What you will discover is that videos are going to play a big part in your making money. YouTube is not only the very best way to generate a ton of free traffic. Keyword Explorer will help you to find the keywords that you can use to get free traffic and to rank on page 1 of YouTube search. You may not be aware, but YouTube videos are the best way to get on page 1 of Google search. All at no cost. Again, videos drive traffic and traffic will build your list and make sales. This is an example of what the Smoothie Diet and Custom Keto Diet hand over to us on a silver platter. As you can see, pay a little more attention to the free resources. Our recipe for conquering ClickBank still needs another ingredient, which is content for your website. In the next video, I will share an easy way to create content. You are going to love it. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I invite you to consider joining the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.